Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening my fall 2022 Fab Fit Fun box. I can't believe it's already here. I'm not even going to say it's fall yet because it's still summer. It's still hot outside, but we still need to feel the fall vibes with this video because it's Fab Fit Fun once every season. Okay, so let me open this up. I am just, I don't know, I'm not. This model is so popular. I used to see her on Set Active, and then now she's on Fab Fit Fun. Go her. Okay, let's get right into it. Summer Fridays, I chose this overtime mask. Your skin cells work overtime, shedding and renewing themselves, but if they can't keep up the pace, your complexion can get a little cluttered. This is so true. This is why I love physical exfoliants, chemical exfoliants, because when I don't keep up with that, my skin just looks like horrible, dull, like dry, and when I decide to do a product like this, or like a chemical exfoliant, the one that you just like kind of put on your face like a mask, leave it on overnight, or like a 20-minute mask, and then afterwards just like rinsing that off, all the dead skin. That's, if I could say, if someone asked me like, oh, what do you do for your skin, I would say like that would be the best thing out of all the things that I do to my skin, like devices, creams, whatever, serums. The exfoliators are, I would say, the best thing that I do for my skin, because it's just taking off the dead layer constantly, so that you're only seeing like the newest and brightest skin. And after that happens, like the pores are just so refined, the skin is smooth, there's nothing laying on top. And yeah, I don't know why I went on a little rant right there, but just another exfoliator to add onto that. And I love Summer Fridays. Their jet lag mask is one of my favorites for if I don't have time to do like something major, and I just throw that on really quick, even as like an instant pick me up for my skin, because it just like hydrates your skin really quickly. Yeah, so I'm sure this is going to be amazing. Next thing in here, Daily Concepts, a hammam mitt. Is this the same kind that I got from Amazon? Because I love it. It's one of the best things I ever bought for my, like, the body. Hold on, I want to see if it's the same. Kind of. The one that I have is a little bit grittier, but this will work nicely as well. I mean, ever since I started using these things, like there's been such a difference in my body skin, like smoother. Same thing with the face. Like exfoliating is the secret. It's the secret to like brighter, smoother, fresher looking skin. Oh my gosh. And I like that there's like a little thing here to separate like the fingers, so you get like a good, like it's not going to slide around when you're scrubbing yourself. Nice. And this is big. This is bigger than the one that I got from Amazon. And what is this, like for the face? Like a little face version? Let me see. I don't want to be like, no, it's not for the face. Wait, hold on. Wait. It says the little one's ideal for intimate areas. That's so funny. Why do you need a little one for intimate area? Like, why can't you use like the big one? I feel like this would be better for the face, honestly. There's a soft side for those who probably can't with more sensitive skin, and then there's like the kind of more rougher side like this. But yeah, the shower is is a really good place to like do a quick exfoliation in your face as well. I always exfoliate and wash my face as the last step of my shower routine, because believe it or not, like shampoo residue and conditioner residue, you don't want to leave that on your face. So I always do exfoliator and then cleanser as the last thing. So yeah, these are going to be very useful to me. They seem kind of like boring or mundane, but actually they're quite life-changing. Why am I so energized right now? I never film these in the morning. Maybe I should just start filming them in the morning from now on. What is this? I think I chose the resistance bands. I'm always choosing like some of the fitness stuff in Fab Fit Fun because I feel like working out can get tedious and boring, but if you get like new equipment, it might motivate you to, you know, try different things. And it's good to just do something. Like, it doesn't have to be like an intense routine or something, but anything. This is cool. Oh my god, these are so high quality, and I would never go to like the sporting goods store and like spend like $30 on one of these. The fact that Fab Fit Fun has them kind of makes it easier for me to acquire one, because I would never go and buy one. But because they're expensive, they're like, these are really good quality. So there's 3: medium, heavy, and light. And I guess you could just detach the one you need and attach it to the handle. Oh my god, these are so good. And mostly I like to use this for like this area here. Like, I'll step on it and then either put it like behind me and then just like lift like this. Yeah. So this will be getting a lot of good use, and I'm sure my husband will try to take them too. Okay. Did I get another free Lumify? I mean, I like having them. They're great, like especially if you do like eyeliner or like eye makeup and your eye gets red after. You could just drop one of these in and it brings your eyes back to like bright white, like the whites of your eyes. Ah, yes, I'm so looking forward to this. Necessaire, the body wash. I've been wanting to try this brand for so long, but I just never get around to it, because honestly, ever since I got like my subscription boxes, especially Fab Fit Fun, it tends to show up in the box. Like the things that I want to try, they tend to show up in the box. So here's one. Eucalyptus. Packaging's very pretty. I want to smell it. Multivitamin. Cleanse, nourish, and balance. I mean, these two together. It reminds me of the Aveda store. I love the smell of the Aveda store. I just like want to, sometimes I just want to stand in the Aveda store. We've got a serum here by Skin Chemists London, pure collagen, 5%. I mean, hey, pure collagen, what can I say? I appreciate the simple packaging. I've never tried like a pure collagen serum, but I'll be anxious to. I mean, can you put this on other parts of your body as well? I tend to do that, like when I have products that maybe have been sitting on the counter for a year up to 2 years, I will not throw them away. I'll just put them on my body, like anywhere, just to not let them go to waste. In my mind, I kind of like look at them as like prescriptions or vitamins. They don't necessarily stop working, they just become weaker. That's how I see it. Yeah, don't take my advice though. Talk to your doctor, your skin doctor. This is just me. Okay. This is a very body focused. I mean, I'm not mad at it. Spun Gel Eucalyptus Rain Body Wash Infused Buffer. I've tried these before. They're really nice. The smell, the soap, it lasts like for so long. This one's a little bit very florally. This smells like a spring. This smells like a spring perfume. Not so much a fall one. But I mean, I like it. More body stuff, like wow. Okay, I chose this one, I believe. By Wish. It is Rose Hip and Lotus Mineral Milk Bath. I've never had a milk bath, and I was interested to see if it would be like one of those ones that turn like the bath water like milky white. Sit back, relax, and allow this indulgent yet effective milk bath cleanse, moisturize, and soothe your skin, leaving it feeling soft and smooth. Hydrolysea milk protein. Yeah, it looks like creamer. Like, I don't want to spill it. Definitely looks like creamer. It smells amazing. I really want to try it. Okay. These things I think I added on, like paid for. So, another skin device. I feel like it's not a video. It's one of my videos if I don't add a skin device. I'm just kidding. Okay, Trophy Skin Brighten MD Multifunction Eye, Face, and Neck Tool. It's one of those like, oh, I thought it was just light therapy. It's actually heat therapy, light therapy, a microcurrent, sonic vibration, with a smart touch sensor. I mean, I have a light mask which I use, like I still use it, like at least I try to do it like twice a week on the color red, especially if I'm having like any breakouts. But yeah, this one seemed like a nice one where I didn't have to look like a creepy like killer at bedtime. This one seemed a little bit less bulky to use, but I didn't know it had all these other things. I want to see that how it actually feels or looks. Okay, not the most expensive feeling item. It's a little bit like flimsy, so we'll see how well it works. But it comes with a little charge port underneath with this. I came from showing my Rifa carrot to this, so that one's got a lot of weight and a lot of heft to it. This one, I don't know, I think this may be plastic, but I'm wondering how well it works. I'm not gonna rule it out because sometimes things tend to surprise me like a lot. I like the size of it. Apparently it's supposed to run it over your skin. I mean, this would be a good area too. The neck. We always have to pay attention to the neck. I mean, you don't want to be like older and then this looking all good and then the age shows here and here. We're gonna want to bring our products down here and here and wear sunscreen here and here. Yes. And I never forget the ears too, because I always wonder that. I'm like, everyone like does this and this and this, but nobody ever goes over their ears. So yeah, I don't know why I'm so chatty today. Okay. This thing in here, I had to add something from one of my favorite brands, Herbivore. It's the Prism AHA BHA Exfoliating Glow Serum. Another exfoliating serum. Not a physical one, but one that's going to slough off the dead skin without you actually scrubbing your face. So these are one of the ones, serums like this, like exfoliating serums, are not something that you're going to want to put on before makeup, because if you haven't done it in a while, what you're going to notice is once you put this on and you put your foundation on, you're going to have all this stuff rolling off your skin and you're like, what the heck is going on? You know, that's your dead skin coming off. So these work well at night or just on a day like you're doing nothing and not wearing makeup and you're gonna wash your face later. And it's so pretty. It's pink. The theme for this box is exfoliation. And I think that's it. I'm actually very, very happy with this box because it seems like it's filled with stuff that I am going to use a lot. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time.